Welcome to the Nurture Her podcast, where we empower women through wellness, wisdom, and worth. Hi, I'm your host Pallavi Pinge, and if you've been struggling with sleep in midlife, tossing, turning, waking up at odd hours, and wondering why, you're not alone. Today, we are diving deep into why sleep gets worse as we age, and more importantly, what you can do to finally get that restful, rejuvenating sleep you deserve. So grab a warm herbal tea, get cozy, and let's talk sleep. The midlife struggle, what's happening? First things first, why does sleep feel so elusive in midlife? For many women, it starts with hormonal changes. As estrogen and progesterone decline, they disrupt the body's ability to regulate sleep. Have you ever felt exhausted but wired at the same time? That's your hormones playing tricks on you. Then comes the stress factor. Midlife is a time when we are juggling careers, family, responsibilities, aging parents, and sometimes unexpected life changes. The weight of these worries can lead to racing thoughts at night, making it hard to unwind. And let's not forget lifestyle shifts. Maybe we've just started relying on that evening cup of coffee a bit more, or we are staying up late scrolling on our phones, habits that unknowingly sabotage our sleep. Sound familiar? The science behind better sleep. Now let's talk about solutions. Understanding the science of sleep can help us reset our habits. Here are the key pillars of good sleep hygiene. 1. Regulate your sleep schedule. Our bodies love consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time, even on weekends, helps reset our circadian rhythm. 2. Manage stress before bed. Try journaling, deep breathing, or a gratitude practice. If anxious thoughts keep you up, write them down and tell yourself, I'll deal with this tomorrow. 3. Re-evaluate your sleep environment. A cool, dark, quiet room works wonders. Consider blackout curtains and removing electronic devices that emit blue light. 4. Watch what you eat and drink. Caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals too close to bedtime can disrupt deep sleep. Opt for a light dinner and herbal teas instead. Chamomile, anyone? 5. Get moving, but at the right time. Exercise is great for sleep, but intense workouts too close to bedtime can keep you awake. Aim for morning or early evening movement instead. Quick fixes for sleepless nights. We all have those nights where sleep just won't come. Here's what you can do in the moment. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. It slows the heart rate and calms the mind. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and release each muscle group from head to toe. Avoid checking the clock. Watching the time pass only adds to anxiety. Instead, focus on relaxation. If you can't sleep, get up. Don't toss and turn endlessly. Get out of bed, read a book, not on a screen, and return when you feel sleepy. The bigger picture, holistic sleep solutions. Beyond these quick fixes, consider deeper lifestyle shifts. Reduce overall stress levels, set boundaries, and make time for self-care. Meditation, mindful movement like yoga, and seeking support, whether from friends, a coach, or a wellness community, can all play a huge role in improving the sleep quality. And remember, sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Prioritizing sleep is prioritizing you. I hope today's episode gave you clarity and actionable steps to improve your sleep. Try one or two changes tonight and let me know how they work for you. You can connect with me on Instagram at Eat Right with Pallavi. And don't miss our next episode. How can you naturally balance your hormones and boost your mood and energy? If you're dealing with low energy, mood swings, or just feel off, you won't want to miss this one. Until next time, sleep well and take care of you.